I don't know if I will. For a little bit. Oh, forward. You know where that three-wheeler is? You don't have to go very far. I mean, don't try to pull them all the way through it. So you get in the mold, you're not going to get stuck in that little bit. I don't know. Why does it Tommy, you got the biggest three-wheeler besides four-wheeler. Why don't we hook both of them up and try and pull them? Okay. I pull it frontwards. All I know is
hey, you don't know nothing because you're full of dirt, buddy.
I didn't get stuck. I never got stuck, did I? Yeah, I did get stuck. Yeah. Billy, do you have a shovel at your house? No. Fuck would I want a shovel
for? Don't you have a pooper scooper for your dog?
Hey, what the fuck would I want a shovel for? I never get stuck. I think it's a great big joke myself. Fuck, let's just go home. Brakes, I'm gonna kill him. Why did you want me to use the brakes? Hit it again, Mike. Do it again. Go forward some more. You hit the fucking brake? Hit the fucking brake. That's because I don't want to get towed out that fucking... I don't want to get towed out that unit. Stop. Stop. Ready? See, now we gotta turn this fucking four-wheeler here around. I'm going to bed. Let this fucker up. I get the line. Whatever you do, don't get the fucking sleep. You want to put your wheels on here.
Mike, clean the wheels out on that thing. Well, who's the foreman on this fucking thing here now, goddammit?
I got the getting stuck part right.
Bill Sievert Ranch, and we're having a monster truck pull here. And Mike Schmidt's going to pull this big Dodge Raider sled. Mike, do you think you're going to pull this fucker out of here?
I hope so.
And your brother's sitting here rooting you on. He's your cheerleader. Let us get the truck.
Yeah, you bet.
Well, we got a Dodge truck coming out of the woods. That's good, Rollo, you're out. It takes a Honda to do it. Mike, you won. You pulled the biggest sled today.
All I do is over here is go out and get stuck tires on.
What do you think of that, Chick? You see that, Chick? Chick, Mike Schmidt won. He pulled the biggest amount of weight on the sled.
Hey, Rollo, and your tires are spinning forward. Hold that, Lucas. This is the Dodge commercial. Wouldn't you really rather have a Raider? Got your glasses on the roof. Oh, he just saw the fucking... You fucking really like... Them glasses ain't gonna be on the roof when it comes back. Hey, I wouldn't bet too much. That fucking might be. They're wedged in there pretty good.
But late, what is going on now?
I think we got some good shots of everybody stuck.
This part is brought to you by Budweiser. We kick ass, and we drink, and we get nuts, and we go out and wreck shit.
Fucking looks like it's half motor built. And your brother on a fucking three-wheeler, he gets out there and does the same thing.
Well, you can do it too, Jim, but you just gotta go get one. Because I ain't gonna do it.
Well, I did it there when we first got ours. Yeah, I've been fucking around, but we get stuck all the time. Having to get off.
My three-wheeler feels really dinky today. I don't know why. I gotta pull those other tires up. You see those tires are 15 pounds of air in them. Look at the ducks are out playing with them.
That is a four-wheel drive, too.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, two-wheeler wouldn't even touch that shit.
No, it starts snow plowing and go down.
Oh, them front wheels are just a bitch.
They're okay for the snow and shit, you know. It's like. Hey, this is looking bad for our Honda commercial, buddy.
We're on the pond.
It's got a fucking electric start?
Oh, yeah. That's a $4,500 rig. Some bitch better have something on it.
I think that starter gives up.
They're all pretty watertight. He just pulls out of this shit, you know?
Yeah, he gets stuck.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, something grabs. You gotta get it. This is like.
You gotta feel it, right?
You should see when both of us are on there, we go around the whole thing. You can go around the whole lake, just like that. You don't get stuck with two people on there.
People on it?
No, it's a lot nicer with two people on it.
Get a shot at it.
Well, I got her on there.
He just made her run.
Tone! Rick's wood. Rick's wood. It's wood. His is the only one I could see.
You want the best Honda? Yeah.
Stick some shit in.
Hey, I'll tell you what though. Hey, just turn it off here. That thing don't have a lot of speed, but it has a lot of get up and go through some shit.
He's got a fall plug.
Let me interview on this camera. I gotta get next to it. This guy that's driving this truck is a piece of fucking shit. I hope he tips over. Oh, look at him go!